Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to solve a really tricky and mysterious math question together. What is the value of the expression 6 plus 3 divided by 3 times 2 over 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. In the first step to solve this question, many people go straight to the expression 6 plus 3 in the numerator of this fraction and replace the whole expression with 9 divided by 3 times 2 over 2. In the next step, they move on to the division between 9 and 3 and simplifying this expression to 3 times 2 over 2. Then, they say the 2's in the numerator and the denominator of this fraction cancel each other out and the final answer will be 3. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must strictly follow the steps outlined by the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to carry out all the operations from top to bottom in order. Alright, as you can see in the image, in the numerator of this fraction, we have an addition sign, then a division sign, and finally a multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must perform multiplication and division first because they have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to remember that multiplication and division are at the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and carry out the multiplication and division step by step. So, first we go for the division between the 3's and we can write the whole expression as 6 plus 1 times 2 over 2. In the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 1 and 2, which simplifies the expression to 6 plus 2 over 2. Finally, we handle the addition in the numerator and simplifying the expression to 8 over 2, which ultimately gives us the answer 4. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.